Hello guys, welcome back to the garden. I'm going to show you guys one of the most beautiful rose I have in the garden. Look at this color. Look at this. And then if you go to this, look at this color. It is raining right now, not too hard, but it is so beautiful here. It is very beautiful here, guys. And I cleaned the table. I've been want to clean that table over here. As you can see, the table is clean. Clean, 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 clean. I just need to paint it. And yes, that's all. All my tables are clean. I have hanging my gloves here. And yes, look at all those little pots here. I was cleaning this flower, Spirea. She was so dry, and I didn't watering her this week. It was hot. All the flowers are burning out. Now what I did, I just pulled the flowers, take them off, and then she will push new little leaves. Yeah, that's what's happening in the garden now. And I was trimming those hydrangeas. I was cutting those dead leaves, and I removed some tomato plant. There was a tomato on the hydrangeas here. I take it off. I put it right here in that tree, because that tree, she have some dead branch. That means the tomato can grow all the way over here. And yes, hydrangeas are coming back, guys. Look at this. I can't wait for everything to be so beautiful again. Can't wait for everything to be beautiful again. Hey, little donkey. It is so peaceful here. Thank you guys for watching.